Hello everyone! Today I'm so excited to share with you this beautiful oversized DIY for your holiday season. This is just a wonderful addition to my front porch for our holiday theme, and you can adapt this to use ornaments that match your style in your home to make this perfect for your holiday theme this season as well. Not only will it be difficult to find such a large scale piece in the stores, if you did, the price of something like this would be astronomical compared to making it DIY. So the first part to prepare is the base. You'll need dowel rods and a pot of your choice, and then I'm going to go ahead and drill in screws to the bottom of these dowel rods to prevent them from rotating in the cement. To do that, you'll want to use a drill bit before you add the screws so that you don't split your dowel rod. Now ensure that you use a cement that you only need to add water. That will be a lot easier for you to set your dowel rod in the middle of your pot and then level it with and secure it in place with tape of some sort. Now the next part is making these oversized packages, and this here is actually done with these wire square frames from the Dollar Tree. I use these zip ties, deco mesh, and this cool little tool that I can actually link in below from Amazon. If you don't have that or don't want to get that, you can also just use scissors, but you'll see as I'm using it, it's quite slick to use for zip ties. Now the idea is that you want to put 4 of these together because we're going to create a cube. Once you have them all in a line, then you're going to take your deco mesh of choice and you're going to roll that out over top of it to get an idea of the length that you need. I used this 18-inch decorative mesh that I got from Walmart. These frames have a rounded side and a flat side. The side that you want to attach to the outside of the deco mesh is the flat side, so make sure that that rounded portion is on the inside. Go along and use zip ties to secure that deco mesh. That's the nice thing about using something like that as opposed to fabric, is your zip ties will go right through it. Now once you have it all secured, just go ahead and fold that up and complete the cube, and again secure it. The top of the cube, you can do one or two things. You can use the zip ties or you can hot glue it like I did. So I use these little tips actually that are for nails. I use them for hot gluing so that I don't burn my fingers, but I only had such a small piece of the deco mesh left. I was able to get 2 full boxes and packages out of just the one roll. And then I go ahead, attach that topper to the box and add ribbon. The easiest way to add the ribbon is actually using a stapler. So you just wrap it around and then use your staple to put a couple in the bottom right through the wire, and it works really well. Now to have something for that package to sit down on, you actually want to put a piece of foam on top. I'm pushing it down here on the edge of the pot so that I can get an outline of where I need to cut it. I just actually used a large bread knife to cut that ring out and then slide that on. I used that deco mesh that I got from Walmart to cover it with just some tacky glue. And then I took a nice string of lights. I got these last season for 50% off from Walmart, and I run these through the top of the package from the inside. And so there's a little slit that I make in the top of the package, and I just run them out the top. Now we're ready to run that package down over top of the dowel rod for our first piece. Now the rest of the decor will come back to later. We're going to next put on the mega ornaments that I got here. So to put on your ornaments, you're going to need a drill bit. I use this spade drill bit at 3/4 inch because that's the size dowel rod, but you need your drill bit to match the size of the dowel rod. And then you need to make sure whatever ornaments you get, they're shatterproof so that you can actually drill through them and create your holes. The ones that I got here, I can certainly link them down in the description below for you so that you can take a look at them if you like those. But any ornaments will do as long as they're shatterproof. Now when you're drilling those, make sure that you're using your safety gloves and your safety equipment, your glasses and all that, because it does create some plastic shards, not sharp, but just something that you want to keep in mind. And you probably need an extra set of hands to kind of stabilize the ornament while someone drills. Now to finish off these open gaps, I add these nice big beautiful bows. So for the first one, the package, I add a really large oversized red bow with some matching green ribbon to accent my ornament. And then this one I just add a simple gold ribbon bow. And then at the top, we also want to finish this off. So I did get a topper that is for a Christmas tree at home last year for at least 50% off. It could have been even more, but it's made of plastic. That's the important thing. So I shove that on top of that dowel rod, and then I'll take some more ribbon just to finish off that area where the rest of the wrapping from the white cord is, and then I have a finished piece. I think these really turn out amazing. They really pop in front of our white pillows on our house, and I think just from the size of these, they're just so beautiful. And for how we made them, just at a fraction of the price, make sure you're shopping after the season. So looking for these things that next year you can build this, you're going to make it for even more on a budget. So I hope that you enjoyed the video today, and if you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time for another DIY. Bye!